So I acquired this lovely piece of canary wood with a live edge. One side has been jointed, the whole thing has been planed. There's a big crack here at the top, and so I'm going to cut that piece off and then glue it together and hopefully still have it be useful. But I just wanted to start showing you this because this is something I really don't want to mess up, but I have to say I'm still concerned. I'm going to put it in my sled and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. So originally I had a bunch of videos that were going to show how I semi-screwed up some stuff on this project. But I thought it might be more important to show how I screwed up recording the videos. Because basically all you see in most of them is the back of my jacket and nothing going on in terms of the actual work. So we'll do a quick montage of that, and I think that should succinctly show how I can't even get the camera work right. It's a beautiful thing. Kind of strange. Actually, not that strange because I always mess things up, man. Alright guys, so here's when the fear starts. I got that broken board I pointed out earlier fixed up, and so I'll show you here. I'm trying to cut these pieces so that the grains kind of match up. I have my stop block, you know, I made sure the blade was straight and everything. Stop block, not moving, that's 90 degrees, flush to the cross-cut fence. And for whatever reason, when I'm cutting these, you can see they're not the same. Like there's one's proud of the other. I know this is a flat piece, and I just don't understand why. So I have this one here that ended up with a kerf mark in it. So I'm like trying to sand it, and I was like, oh, it's gonna take a little bit of time to sand this kerf mark out. So I'm using my planer, and when I was planing it, I had it clamped, and what did it do? The planer pulled the board apart. So I guess I'm gonna have to glue that. I don't know. I just don't understand. This kind of stock is not inexpensive. Okay. Well, it's sitting flat. Believe it or not, this has become a video about how I can't record a video. I didn't screw up the canary wood too badly, but ultimately I did screw up, as I usually do.